How to enable or disable Bluetooth heart rate logging on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now from the main settings page, we scroll down and in here tap on Developer. If you do not have Developer, you can turn it on by going into Privacy and Security. Next, we scroll down to the bottom, then tap on Developer Mode. In here, tap on the toggle button to turn on Developer Mode. Then we go back into Settings. In here, go into Developer. Then we scroll down and then tap on Heart Rate Logging. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or to switch it off for Bluetooth logging. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.